Ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Ethyl alcohol or simply alcohol is one of the most important member of the family of alcohols. It is the major constituent of all alcoholic beverages such as whiskey, beer, wine, etc. and cough syrups also. It is also a very useful solvent for organic compounds. It can be prepared on commercial scale or by the hydration of ethene. On commercial scale, ethyl alcohol is prepared from sugar whose chemical formula is C12H22O11 by fermentation process. In the fermentation process, there is a slow decomposition of molasses from sugar industries or starch from various grains of fruits. Sugar is the first fermented into glucose and fructose in the presence of invertase enzyme and then into ethyl alcohol in the presence of zymase. It can also be prepared by the hydration of ethene. Hydration of ethene in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Other forms of ethanol are absolute alcohol, which is 100% or 99% pure alcohol obtained by distillation of moist alcohol with benzene is called absolute alcohol. Rectified spirit consists of 95% ethanol by volume. Denatured or methylated alcohol. Ethyl alcohol sometimes contains methanol in trace amounts which makes it unfit to drink. The poisonous impurities like pyridine, methanol, copper sulfate, etc. are also added to make it undrinkable. Nowadays, alcohol is used as an additive in petrol since it is a cleaner fuel. Alcohol is also used as fuel in stoves and spirit lamps. Physical properties of ethanol. It is colorless liquid at room temperature. It has a characteristic smell and burning taste. It is soluble in water in all proportions. Chemical properties. Combustion. Its chemical properties are mainly because of the OH group. Alcohols are inflammable and hence readily burn in air to form carbon dioxide and water along with an enormous amount of heat. For example, let's take ethyl alcohol plus oxygen. It forms carbon dioxide plus water plus heat energy. Oxidation. In the presence of oxidizing agents like alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7, alcohols get oxidized into aldehydes or ketones and finally into carboxylic acids. For example, when ethanol in the presence of oxidizing agent alkaline KMnO4 gives firstly aldehyde and water and then it turns into acetic acid. Dehydration reaction. Removal of water from the alcohol is known as dehydration of alcohol. Heating of ethanol at 443 Kelvin with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid results in the formation of respective alkene. For example, if ethyl alcohol in the presence of hot concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin gives product ethene and water. Uses of alcohol as a solvent for gums, resins, paints and varnishes. As beverages in alcoholic beverages like whiskey, beer, wines, etc. As fuels. As a solvent for gums, resins, paints and varnishes. As antiseptics. In medicines as tincture of iodine, which is mixture of iodine in alcohol. In thermometers due to its low freezing points.